Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to call your voice assistant on your Nothing Headphones 1 on the Android phones. So, at first we need to go into our Nothing application, which is called Nothing X, and here we have to enter our device, which is called Nothing Headphone 1. Here we have to scroll down to Controls, tap that. Here now we have to select the gesture with which we can use the voice AI. I do have it set to press and hold for this button, which is here. Now we have to search for this button on the headphone, and now if I press and hold this button, you can see our AI enabled. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.